Today we're going to learn how to do a cover. A cover is a way to block if something's going to bop you from the side of your body. And it looks like this. So what we're going to do is we're first going to sing the song that goes to the cover. And it's called Old MacDonald's. Yeah, you guys know this one. So let's sing Old MacDonald. Ready, set, go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a cow. Okay, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow moo here and a meow moo there. Here a meow moo, there a meow moo, everywhere a meow moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald's got a silly farm, right? All right, so ready? Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the cover. And when you do the cover, what you do is you get in your ready stance and you take your fingers and you run your fingers through your hair and put them by your ear. So if something were to come from this side, would it bop you on your head or would it bop you on your arm? Your arm, right? Good. So let's try it the other side. How's my hair? Looking good? All right. Everybody ready, stance? And run your fingers through your hair. Put them by your ear. Cover, cover everywhere. One more time we cheer. Aya! Good job. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready, set, go. Aya! Run your fingers through your hair. Put them by your ear. Cover, cover everywhere. One more time we cheer. Aya! Good job.